morning, 5th grade. This is your grammar lesson for Monday, May the 11th. All right, today we're going to talk about using we and us with a noun. So go ahead and get in your book and turn to page 295 and pause me until you get there. Okay, let's look at the pronoun we and us and when we would use it. Like if you said, use it as a subject, we girls are the state champions. That would work. And the way to test it is to cover up girls and just say, cover up the noun that it's with and say, we are the state champions. And that fits. You wouldn't say, us are the state champions. I'm going to skip this next one and let's go down to the direct object. The team needs us fans. Okay, cover up fans. The team needs us. All right, that works. The next one, the crowd cheers for us heroes. Cover up heroes, the noun that's with it, and just say the crowd cheers for us. All right, so you probably have already guessed it, but we is a subject pronoun and us is a object pronoun because it's used as direct objects or objects of the preposition. This one is the one that's really kind of a tricky one. When it's following a linking verb, it's acting as a predicate noun. It's in that spot. You do need to use a subject pronoun, but it doesn't sound right. This is one of those times when it doesn't sound right. So cover up boys and say the winning players were we. That still doesn't sound right, but flip that statement around and say we were the winning players. Okay, that's when it sounds right. We boys were the winning players. So you know that it does need to be that subject pronoun when it follows a linking verb. Okay, let's do these together. All right. We students are learning about computers. The learners are. Here's a linking verb. It's following a linking verb, so you know it's going to need to be we. We 6th graders. Flip that around. We 6th graders are learners. The most confused students were, again, a linking verb, we beginners. Flip that around. We beginners were the most confused students. Our instructors talked to preposition. Us needs to be object of the preposition. Miss Ide put us girls in front of the terminal. We students were surprised at its speed. Anyone can ask for help from us experts. Preposition, object of the preposition. Okay. Same thing. We shopkeepers is used as a subject. Toys impressed us, used as a direct object. We, subject, girls, photographed the stuffed giraffe. Our parents took us, direct object. Bus driver smiled at us, object of the preposition. We, tourists, love the view from the safari bus, subject. All right, let's find the ones in here. Here, we vacationers are at last in New York City. Today, a boat took us, should be direct object, us sightseers around the harbor. Then we tourists stopped at the Statue of Liberty. The statue looked huge to us, should be object of the preposition, tiny people below. The guide led us sightseers up to the crown. The most excited people in the group were definitely we students. Flip that around because that doesn't sound right. But we students were definitely the most excited people in the group. So that's when it sounds right. Okay, so let's look at your homework. 313, you're going to write either we or us for each of these. Again, 7 through 12, you're going to write we or us. Look at how it's used in the sentence. If it's a subject or predicate noun, it's the we. If it's a direct object or object of the preposition, it is the us. And then down here, you are going to write sentences for each of these. For example, the phrase we singers. So that needs to be a subject or a predicate noun, but they use it as a subject. So you make a sentence based on that phrase. We singers in the band write our own songs. Okay? So you're going to do 13 through 18 that way, writing the whole sentence out. All right, have a good day.